LS500. But it's in today because we're swapping from OEM wheels, Vossen HF4Ts in silver polish. We got the matching lug nuts over there. Easily one of my favorite HF4T setups for any car we've done. Really complements the whole classy vibe that the LC500 gives off, and the silver polish finish matches perfectly with the chrome trim axis around the windows and the doors, and that spoke design ties in really well with that crazy looking grille in the front. There's one little thing we did add that really finishes the whole look, which are the lowering links. We minimized the wheel gap on the front and the rear. Doesn't seem like a big deal, but it complements the overall look of the car. Here's a ruler so you can see the measurement of the car and how it sits in case you want to have the same height for your LS500. This setup honestly looks like something Lexus would sell as a special LS500 because it really gives off an OEM plus vibe to the whole thing. We have a satin black wrapped M5. We're going to be ceramic coating the entire car, and we actually have a PPF/vinyl ceramic coating just for surfaces like this.
I'm gonna put chrome flames on his car.
Where? You drew a chrome piece.
Yeah.
Oh, a reflective one.
Yeah. So awkward just looking at it. Look what Ted is doing.
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
What is this world coming to? I think Marwan would actually appreciate this.
What you do today, Ted?
Drake's on.
I'm just handling.
Where are you putting it though?
On his glass.
On his glass? Like right down the center?
Good.
What are you doing here?
Okay, on today's episode, we are going to install this Amazon edition spoiler.
Oh no!
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, little quick tip. Do not take the tape all the way off. It swells a little bit. Now when you place it's not fully taped, then you slowly peel away.
Don't tell them that, that's our secret.
Well, they have to pay $19.99 to hear this part, but you're gonna add that in as a promo on the bottom of this video. If you click on the link below, it'll take you to what I just said.
We're like, what kind of tool is he using? Now you have to sneak on.
Okay, now if you had paid the $19.99, click on the link below. Now what we do is we apply pressure, slowly remove, not all of it, a little bit, apply pressure, a little bit, apply, a little bit, apply, a couple inches at a time, that's what she said. This means, this is the literal translation of my in Arabic.
Penises. What's that place?
Means my cock-a-doodle-doo. I don't think we need to make a how-to on how to put a license plate now, do we?
Oh, you'd be surprised.
Oh well. Who did it? Who did it? I love it. I'm leaving it on, but.
Are you serious? Yeah, dude.
Without flash, with flash.
So people are just gonna see that
At night?
Hey, so at nighttime when you look for a car, you just look for the
Literally. You just have pre-cut vinyl laying around.
You use yes?
No, I haven't. Ryft? There's only one of one? Oh my god, a one of one exhaust. That's cool. Oh.
Yeah!
Oh my god, that is so cool. That is so freaking nice. 101 exhaust for A12. No one else has it in the world.
So usually these run an H pipe, this one's running X pipe. He wanted this to be the loudest exhaust.
So it sounds like Ryft does make an exhaust for the A12. However, they don't make one like this. This is completely straight pipe all the way through. It's gonna sound as loud as possible. Look at this. Oh boy.
No, it's gonna be fully covered. You're gonna put heat shielding all over this.
Damn, so you don't even see the color.
Remember, it's like the Lamborghini, bro. Same thing.
And there she is. So before we get started, we're gonna do a quick before sound clip, and then we'll do an after, of course.
Warning.
Is it really that loud?
Yeah, bro.
Okay, so we did the revving inside the garage and it was freaking loud, but it was also echoing because it's inside a garage. So we're doing it outside now so you guys can hear how loud it really is without any echoing walls. This is definitely the loudest exhaust I've heard personally. Before this, I think the Dundon that we did on the GT3 RS was the loudest exhaust. This tops it. Dude, that's loud.
Holy shit, dude. He went for straight pipe. That's why it's so like high-pitched V12. Like
It sounds
F1,
good.
you know? Maybe he should go in the car with him when he comes. Actually, wait. He's pretty crazy though.
Oh my god!
It has the F1 exotic high-pitched sound, which I really like. A lot of exhausts, once they get loud, they sort of lose their pitch and their tone. This one keeps it and it just raises the bar. So I'm really impressed with it. 101 Ryft exhaust. You want to hear it?
Yeah, let's do it. Jesus! Alright. I felt the rumble. I'm gonna go warm it up.
Oh my god!
It pops like a 720, dude. We're going like 30 miles an hour, and it sounds like the world is going to shit. Oh my god! Woo! How sick is that?
So violent.
It's so violent! What have we created? I can't contain it! Sounds like murder and gunshots and Thor and Avengers and I don't know what I'm saying! This is the loudest exhaust I have ever heard. Oh my god. I love you, man, right now. Thank you so much for filming that. Man, you guys are the best, dude.
Guys, that exhaust was insane. That is by far the loudest and most beautifully sounding exhaust I've ever heard. If you guys want to see more of the Ferrari 812, check out Kiz's channel. I'll link his channel in the description down below. But that's it for the vlog, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to work on your car, so hit us up. Our contact info is in the description down below. We will see you next time.
Oh my god! There's a Formula 1 car in here!
How does it feel like to be smacked by sound?
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta go.